Hello everyone, it's your girl Benny of Real Benny's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing great because I'm doing just so fine here. So today I'm going to teach you people alternative of rice in case you are watching your weight and you don't want to eat rice, you don't know what to eat. So today I'm going to teach you on this our special rice because it is low on calories and carbs. So on the table I have my green beans, I have my cabbage, I have my hot dog, I have my shrimps. And when we are cooking this rice, you have to use healthy oil. So I'm using coconut oil. You can use olive oil. This is my salt. We have our green pepper here, cauliflower, carrots, onions, and pepper. So let's do this together. You have to wash it very well because at times there are sand, so you have to wash very well. You can cut it into any shape you want to. So this is how I'm cutting mine. I've already washed it before, but after chopping I still have to wash again because you know how cabbage is, there might be some sand or ants hidden in it, so you have to wash up again. I've washed the green pepper, so you can cut it into any shape that is convenient for you. You can even do this and take the one you want to eat and put the other one in the fridge. All you need to do when you want to eat, just put it in the microwave and you are good to go. Because in this weight loss journey, meal prep helps a lot. So this is our cauliflower. You can see you have bigger one. I just bought a small one. Now everything is set. I have my washed cabbage, I have my chopped hot dog, the shrimp thoroughly washed, green pepper chopped, carrot chopped, green beans chopped, cauliflower chopped. I normally add a bit of pepper in my food because it enables me to drink water, so I stay hydrated all the time because it keeps me going. So now let's just move over to where this gas is and let's start cooking this. The heat is on now. I'll pour in my coconut oil, allow it to heat up a bit. Then I pour in the shrimp to stir fry for some time. You don't need too much oil, just little, because it's going to be stir fried. I always love the aroma of coconut oil and it makes your food so tasty. I'll add in the cauliflower now. I'll leave it for like 3 minutes. without stirring. Try this way of life and you thank me later when people start admiring you. One thing about this way of eating is that it makes you healthy, it makes your skin to glow, and you are always happy with yourself. I'm adding the carrot now. You can use any protein of your choice you want to. I'm adding the green beans. This is the green pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper. And when you are eating, you have to do portion control. If not, you won't see any difference. You have to keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. So I'm adding the chopped cabbage now. I'll sprinkle some salt so that I will now well combine everything. You can see how colorful the face of this our rice. Excuse me, the pepper in it is hot, so I like it that way because it enables me to drink much water. You can see our rice. Please, if you have not liked this video till this moment, please keep liking, keep sharing, and if you have not subscribed, please share. Please subscribe so you can get more recipes. So I'll test for salt now, and if it's okay, we are good to go. So I'm adjusting the salt now. Our rice is ready. Go try yours and thank me later. I'll just turn off the heat now and serve. You can serve with any protein of your choice if you still want to, because the shrimps and hot dog here is okay. We are good to go.